Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the NYOrtho Abdominal Binder Lower Waist Support Belt, Compression Wrap for Men and Women, 30 to 45, 4-panel, 12. It's that the Velcro attaches to the whole band so you can't really outgrow it. This was way more comfortable to wear than the girdle they wanted me to wear. The only thing that isn't good is the fabric wears where the Velcro attaches to. Provides great support and pain relief, as well as being easy to put on and take off. Overall, it offered a lot of support and helped relieve a lot of the pain throughout the day. Depending on your preferences, you can make the binder extremely tight or a little bit looser for comfort. However, she says it feels like it cuts into her at the top of the binder when she is sitting down. It could stand to be a bit longer, and the ribs in it could be a bit more sturdy, simply meaning that it's a great product if you need little support, but doesn't do the job if you need extremely strong support. Acts like an extra layer of skin, which makes it much more comfortable after surgery. The hospital sent her home with one that didn't even make it 2 days before coming undone at the seam. It allows you to get in and out of bed easier, and supports you more when you are trying to be mobile again. It was after being recommended by another friend who felt a bit of abdominal support was needed when returning to activity. It's made up of very good material, and it's not at all damaging the binder even after maximum stretches. The edges are straight, so you have to line it up to keep the edges from poking you. It has held up with the same elasticity, and the same strong hoop and loop strength as day one. The only issue is that it constantly rolls when you sit, which can make it bunchy and awkward under clothes. It does a great job in providing abdominal support for a small hernia so that it does not get worse. It greatly eased the pain, prevented more damage. The longer length kept it from sliding out of place. The Velcro is very strong, so learning to put it on was a bit challenging at first, but overall it was the perfect choice. Overlap gives a little more support. Also, if you're not sure how many bands you want, order one up, and you can cut it off if you don't end up liking it that tall. The solution is to holding the belt like a bath towel behind you, and bring the ends together in front, or on the side. Then fasten it in place. This method is much easier than trying to hold one end in place while grabbing the other side and maneuvering it around your body, at least for me. It is easy to get on and off, and the Velcro holds the binder on strongly. Although it is soft and stretchable, it also gives me enough support to help relieve pain. The doctor told me to wear the binder and gave me phone numbers to medical supply companies. It's great. Very flexible, holds firmly, and not too tight, and bends well when you bend. There's nothing that's going to make the pain stop, but this makes it much easier. If you are close to the next size up to have more room to stretch for a snug proper fit. The Velcro is super strong, and it even came with a little strip to cover the Velcro in the wash to prevent it sticking to everything or getting linty. Until then, this is a lifesaver. Comfortable, easy to add on, and it doesn't roll up at all like some of these do. Can be stretched and attached across the whole length of the wrap for different tightness. When stretched around your belly, a strip of Velcro sewn onto one end attaches tightly to the elastic itself, so within the length choices, one size fits all. It is a little klutzy to put on, but once it is on, it stays put. It allowed me to resume many activities and get back to work after only 1 week. She's tried other support belts that would roll down or were not snug enough, and this is by far the best. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.